Okay, they are given lanthanide. This is asked about that. I think it's a December question, June 2012 question. Lanthanide third ion having the highest partition coefficient between the tri-N-butyl phosphate and concentration HNO3 solution. Just we have to look at that lanthanide ions given and at highest partition coefficient. Highest, just we have to bracket it, highest partition coefficient. Okay, between the tri-N-butyl phosphate and the concentration HNO3. Okay, just tri-N-butyl phosphate combined with the nitric acid HNO3, hydrochloronitric acid, we have to highest partition. Just look at that F0, how many electrons are filled? F7, and that neodymium is F4. This one is F14. That one will be highest partition coefficient. Which one is complex will be given? Lutetium complex will be shown that highest partition coefficient. Okay, next one is that. That's why we have to look at that. Don't be write that tri-N-butyl phosphate react with that concentration HNO3. This is very difficult to find out which complex will be come out, and just remember highest partition coefficient means highest atomic number. Just remember. Okay, next one is that which one of the following show that highest solubility in hot concentration, aqueous and NaOH. What is the aqueous? Aqueous means water condition. Aqueous in that aqueous NaOH solution. That's the concentration aqueous NaOH solution. The highest solubility. Which one is the highest solubility compound? Highest means which one is that highest solubility compound is a lutetium. Lutetium will be shown that highest solubility compound. Answer is lutetium. Next one is that consider the ions given europium, gadolinium, samarium, lutetium. The observe and calculate the magnetic moment value and closest pair. They are the four givens. One is gadolinium, europium, samarium and lutetium. Closest pair. Which one will be shown that very closest pair? Look at that given. Stable compound only show that closest pair. Closest pair means magnetic moment. Stable complex. Which one is that stable? Gadolinium. Sorry. Again, next we have which one is that? Gadolinium. Another one is lutetium. Why it is not possible europium? The magnetic moment will be show that europium complex will be magnetic momentum 0. Okay, that's why it is not possible. Europium to lutetium is not possible. Why? Because europium magnetic momentum, calculate the magnetic momentum. Magnetic momentum will be show 0. Okay, that's why calculate magnetic moment will be 0. That's the answer is come at one is at F7, another one is F stable. These two complexes are stable. Okay, these two are the stable form. That question will be asked about December 2012 4 marks question. This one is a 4 mark question. Okay, 4 mark question. The closest pair of the which complex will be given? The 4 complex given in question. Even also option given one is the gadolinium to lutetium. Gadolinium. That's why given. That is the correct option. It is.